Hello, I'm Navid Hassan, currently studying at Southeast University from BBA department, and I am responsible for the directing the project. And you can also see me in frame. We tried our best to make it happen, and I hope you will love it.
Hi, myself Fayaj. I am the team leader of Team Shampan. I am currently studying at the Department of BBA General at Bangladesh University of Professionals. One of the challenges that we face is arranging stuffs like cameras, artists, etc. But our creative team carried it out.
Myself, Surya Kubishwili. Currently, I'm studying in Army IBS Server in batch 11 second year. I have been participating in business case competition since my first year. Participation of Technoxian Bangladesh is also one of them. I have some previous experience in ad making, and this time I wrote scripts and did teamwork. Let's see what's happened next.
Hello everyone, this is Mahdi Hassan Alif. Right now I'm studying BBA General in Army IBS Server and I worked as scriptwriter and voiceover artist in my team.